Now, when we've done everything, let us show you what we can do with the HES server. You can download it using the link from our website here, or you can use PowerShell, but we will choose the first option. We will download the file. It is an ordinary zip archive. Here it is. And we have to choose the location of this archive. According to the instruction, we have to create a new folder called HES on our computer's C drive. Alright, then we can create a subfolder called HES inside that folder. And now we can extract the content of our zip file to this HES folder. Alright, great, everything is copied. And now we can close the archive. Next step, we are moving on to HES configuration. We have a file called app settings.json, and you have to create a copy of that file in our HES folder. And the new name of the file, of the copied file, will be app settings production.json. So you can just copy the name and paste it. Alright, now let's try to open this file with Notepad. As you can see, we have a lot of different settings here, so if you're ever gonna use any other property, you will have to specify your data. But now all we need to do is to set up the necessary characteristics for a server so we can change our database, our user, and our password. Now, since our database is called DB, our user is called user, we don't need to make any changes except from our password. So let's type our user's password, my password, and that will be enough. And if we will need to make any changes, we can use this file and add our data here. And it will be necessary to restart the site every time you make any changes here. It is important. So we can save our changes. And now let's go straight to the last installation step.